Hey guys, my name is Jeffrey, and today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Supreme 2020 Summer Spring shoulder bag. We're going to be a quick video, just going to unbox and review it. This is my first shoulder bag I ever got from Supreme. Before we start the video, I just want to point out that my girl's cat destroyed the outside bag. She luckily didn't touch the actual shoulder bag, but look at this. Look at the damage that was done to this bag by claws or nails. I can't tell, but actually destroyed. I guess it was because I was shoving box logo stickers into her face earlier, but I guess she doesn't like box logos. To start off, here's the receipt. It was $47.91. Don't really know if they display card numbers, but here's the tender. You can see it. The guy was nice to me. You know, the guys know me, and there's some, I'm going there a couple times in a row, and I got to know them last season. Haven't gone after like mid last season, but he was nice. He gave me two box logo stickers. He didn't have to give me a sticker. Like he gave, and I think they give you one sticker per purchase, but he gave me two. Thanks, dude. I would have wanted the other stickers, but you know those went up early in the week. This is like what, almost like 5 days after the release that I went, 4 or 5 days. But yeah, here's the bag. Comes in a plastic, little small plastic wrapping. Right here. Cordura right there, and yeah, let's just pop it open. Do a quick review, tell you what I feel about it. So here's the bag. Right here, there's a little Cordura tag on it. Don't really need that either. So you can see the front. There's a pocket right off the bat in the front. Let's open that bad boy up, and they put plastic in it. I guess to keep it nice and fresh. It does say Supreme right in the front, and obviously this is where people are gonna look. It is 3M. I'll put some 3M right here. I like it. I didn't even know it was 3M till I saw a picture of it on Instagram. I do love 3M. I love 3M at night. It looks really good. Your sneakers and clothes. So yep, there's that part, and you can put something in it right here in the front if you want. I don't really want to put anything there. You kind of want to show the Supreme branding. Maybe put my phone in there, or quick receipts, couple receipts. I chose this color because I felt like they were gonna recycle this color for next season's bag, so I wanted one from this season, and then I'll get the waist bag to put around my chest next season. But this waist bag, in my opinion, was way too big. Okay, so let's close that up. Okay, so let's go inside the bag. Inside the bag, it's pretty big. Comes with your little gel tags, and inside the bag it's pretty. It's bigger than I would have expected it. You have Supreme all over print on the inside of the bag. You have your Supreme tag, made in Vietnam, right there. So it's pretty spacious. If we go on to the side of the bag, it's a Supreme right here. Little tag. Everyone loves to see that little red hit. And then the back of the bag, the Cordura tag, with the fabric. And right here, this is what confuses me. I think maybe it's to put this on to hang it up or something.
Alright, I don't know what that guy is saying right there. That is clearly for your belt. It's to clip it onto your belt, to wear it on your belt, or on another thing you want to clip it on. But I don't know why I'm so confused as to what that is for. I'm gonna remove a lot of that part of the. You know what? Just go back to it.
We have your two clips to put your strap on, and the little grips for those clips, bars. The little things that keep those clips intact is also camo, as you can see. And the back of the bag is actually see-through, which I didn't know until I saw it also in photos. People can tell what you have, but if it's against your chest, they're not gonna know. But if you're wearing it like this, they're gonna know. So wear it backwards, you're wearing it wrong. People will know what you have. The strap is also the same color as the bag, so the strap is camo, which is sick in my opinion. Let's go ahead and get that off. Let's test this bag out and put some stuff in it. Right here I have an iPhone 11, and this is not the Plus version, but look at this. Ready? Not even the Plus version, and almost doesn't fit in this bag. If you were gonna put your phone in your bag, maybe the plus version will fit. Not sure, but if you don't have the plus version, boom, it'll fit right in. It'll make the back green or whatever color because it's mesh, but you won't be able to see it from the front. So yeah, I'm also gonna put my wallet in there, and it fits right in, no problem. Right in the back too, and zip up. That's a nice way to it now. And if, you know, it'll fit your wallet, hand sanitizer, gum, clip, hair clip, phone. It'll fit most things. It's a pouch. It's gonna be a nice pouch. Very small if you need to go to like the beach or something. I'm going to use it as an everyday bag because this is my first bag. So yeah, we're gonna attach the strap on and we're gonna have the on body. So it comes at this size, which is, you know, almost like a real shoulder bag size. Tuck it on your arm, put it right here too, right on your chest. This is how it looks. I'm 5'6", so if you're wondering, you know, comparison size to how tall I am, there it is. Okay, and here's the longer way to wear it. So here it is long ways, right here. Sits right at the pocket of your pants, and I don't know, I'm digging it. I really like it. This is my first ever bag, so it's probably why I'm so biased and why I like it so much, but I don't know, I'm digging it. As you can see, my phone is here, my wallet's there. You got this right here. Maybe you need to put something, attach something on. You can attach something on your back. Here it is. And then you can flip it to the back. Now you have it on your back. And yeah. Let me know if you're gonna buy it before the season ends. But yeah, this is the bag that's gonna release tomorrow. And if you're watching this video after, well, this is the bag you can probably still pick up online or in store. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you want more videos like this. So I'm gonna do reviews and stuff. And I'm gonna start doing investing videos on sneakers. So we're gonna go up to that. So yeah, if you're interested, I'm actually selling a bunch of Yeezys and Nike shoes. They're gonna be linked down below in the description on my eBay or Instagram page. And you guys send me a DM, and if you want to buy, you can buy them. They're just StockX prices. I'm matching the prices, you know. I'm not gonna hit you over the head, but I'm matching the StockX prices. But yeah, this is the Supreme bag. What is that? We're gonna try to cop every Yeezy this month? Oh, okay.